Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. It's the first video of my new year, and I'm going to be doing a look with Cremated and Weirdo. Ooh, from Jeffree Star. I want to do something special for the new year, and I've got some blinding highlighters on and some brows for the gods. So let's just do a fun New Year's look. New year, new me. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell down below. That'd be really cool. So do you have any resolutions? I have some plans. I don't know if I want to call them resolutions for the new year of 2022. I'm going to start with life insurance in the crease. And the first off is I'm getting bariatric surgery this year. What that means is weight loss surgery. I'm going to be getting a gastric bypass, and that's where they make my stomach into the size of an egg and reattach my intestines, so that way I eat less and I will still, a lot of people think weight loss surgery is an easy way out. It is not. I'm going to have to be really dedicated to what I eat and how much I eat and how often I eat. And, you know, that's going to be a big deal. So I'm planning on documenting my journey through the process of the surgery. And so, you know, a lot of people have different feelings on weight loss surgery, but I'm just at a point in my life where I need more help than I can do for myself. So I'm going to use the tool of surgery to help me achieve some goals. I'm going to continue to be in recovery. That is another thing that I am planning on doing this year. Let me get a little more life insurance over here. So beautiful. I really love this cremated palette. I go back to it pretty often. And I'm also going to use the Weirdo palette because it's got a really great silver in there. I might use a little bit of that pink on my lid. I don't know. I'm so crazy. I just don't know what I'm going to do. So those are the big ones, you know, continue doing life the way I like to live it. We are going to try to save to get a house next, like in 2023. That's our goal, is to get a house. So we'll be doing those kind of things to get to that place. And I'm going to go next into Pallbearer, which is a shimmer. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty shimmer. I'm going to carry it through the lid. I plan on a very shiny look here for the first video of the year. And I'd like to grow my channel some more. I've not done any collabs or things with very many other YouTubers lately, and I'd like to change that. I'd like to branch out and get more involved with the YouTube beauty community. I'm happy with where I am. I'm grateful for the over 1,600 subscribers I have and the continued support that I have on my Tuesday talks. And I know that I've not been as consistent with those lately, but you know, holidays. Holiday, celebrate. I definitely am not Madonna. I'm going to go into the crease with Angel of Death on the outside corner here. Oh yeah, Angel of Death for the win. Just blending it out. That's so pretty. I'm going to try a little pop of pink from Weirdo. Oh, I like it. That's cool. It's like my hair. That's pretty cool. And now I'm going to go in with my finger, and that pink is called Mohawk, and then I'm going to go into Razor Blade here with my finger. Oh, that's looking amazing. That pink's kind of disappeared now. That's okay. We're just having fun. I'll have to do a nice red lip for sure. So let's do some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, mascara, eyeliner. I put a little bit more of that pink eyeshadow on to give it a little more of a pop. And I feel like I need to put a little more pink on my cheeks. So I'm going to get into my NARS Blush Compact. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I have so much product on my face. I just love it. Maybe I'll do a sexy shimmery pink lip, or should I do a vampy red? I think I'm going to do the red, a deep red. And this is number 50 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. Oh yeah. Oh yes, this is nice and vampy and great for the new year. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day and continue to have the days of your choice. Happy New Year, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.